Hi guys, my name is Christelle and today I made these cute little shoes for my cousin who is a Scottish Terrier enthusiast. She sent me photos and asked me if I can make a pair of shoes for her but with Scottish Terriers instead. So I am just laying down my base coat over the image that I'd already drawn on with my fabric marker, just giving me a point to start from. A little base coat. This color is Mushroom from the Heritage Fabric Paint range. Now I'm using the black just to start covering the outlines that I made with a marker and also filling in my shadows, building the dimensions as I go along. These images were quite small and difficult to incorporate detail on because the shoes have a funny texture, so it's not a smooth surface to paint on. So at some places I really had to push the paint into the fabric, so I'm just alternating between lights and darks, just making my way through the process. Eventually I didn't really think about it much, I just slapped on the paint and just enjoyed the process. Here I mixed in a little bit of blue with the black just to enhance the vibrancy of the black. Highlighting the nose, making the nose stand out a bit. You really have to use your lights and darks to accentuate the detail in these furry little creatures. The brush I used was super thin, but even with that thin brush it was difficult to get the fur texture on the shoes itself because of the texture of the shoes. It was quite interesting and quite challenging to get like a furry texture on the dog, but eventually I just carried on working with it. You'll see later that I used a marker as well just to incorporate more detail fur-wise into the dogs, and it worked. At the end of the day, everything came out quite nicely. Here I went in with my Copic brown marker just to put a little bit of more color on top of the black. Now I'm using my black Faber-Castell Pit ink pen to accentuate the details and the fur. You really have to make sure that the paint is completely dry before using this pen because you don't want to clog up the tip. and they are done. Thanks for watching this video, guys. My cousin really loved her shoes and I really loved making them. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Have a good day. Bye.